This is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Scrap Madness where Laura and I do a video a day and we have a guest designer. This is for the Crafty Maven Getaway and the theme for my layout is Stash It. Our guest designer for today is going to be Orange Girl, and I'm going to drop all of her links and Laura's links down below in the description, and also all of the Crafty Maven Getaways information as well. I decided to stash it. I went into my stash and found this collection called Girl Squad from Pebbles. Now, I don't have a really old stash collections in my stash. More of mine is I have to look and see how many little papers do I have left and use those up. And that's exactly where I'm at with this particular collection. I have just a little bit of embellishments left, a little bit of stickers, and a little bit of paper. And I'm trying to use up all of that older onesies and twosies that are in my stash. Otherwise, whatever I have left over by the time the retreat comes around in May, I am going to be passing them on to the next person. So this is just the little bits that I have left. I'll keep this. It's not too much yet. I'm still trying to whittle it down, but I don't have that much stickers left, like puffy stickers and the regular stickers to this. I have more of the ephemera, which is just completely fine and content. So this picture, I met Sandy at the May retreat from Heather's Crafty Life in May of 2018. We all got together, we all got to meet and we talked, and it was just a lot of fun getting to know a lot of the YouTubers that I watch and they watch me and all of that stuff in one room. And she went back and she works at Target and she was, you know, just grabbing a Coke, and it happened to be my name, which we all know that Miranda does not show up on a lot of items for the first go around. Let's just put it out that way. But then also it was on a Coke, so that was awesome. So I put this in my selfie traveler's notebook because I feel like I'm taking a selfie with Sandy. My name is there and then it's Sandy. So she sent it over to me. I think it went on social media or whatever. I think it was probably in the Secret Not Secret Kit Club group, and she's like, look what I found. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I gotta scrap this. And I told her this past, when I filmed this. So now with video a day, I've been filming these as I can go. Like I started the middle of February to get this going so that I could stay ahead. And I said, look what I'm filming finally. And I'm trying to catch up on my selfies. I'm trying to do these little projects that I have left that are like 5 or 6 layouts left. Those are what I'm trying to get done before I start into any new projects or trips or whatever the case may be. And so I had to put this in my selfie because I felt like I was taking a selfie with her. You know, friends can be in your selfies. Traveler's notebook. Obviously there is absolutely no, there's no rule or rhyme or reason to why you do your traveler's notebooks or any of that sort. So that's a little bit about the photo. And yeah, I just thought it was so much fun to do. So here I am going through all of the embellishments and I'm trying to find things that would work. So I found stuff that says kind is the now cool, and it says hello. I have a coffee and I've got nail polish. Neither of us wear nails polish because we work in retail, let's face it. So I already know what, you just don't wear any of that stuff. And it says, hello, darling. And it's, all those little things. And then I make a tag and then I explain on the tag that I put in, I made a tag pocket in between the two pages that I put together and documented why I got this and why I'm putting it in my selfie notebook or traveler's notebook and that kind of stuff. I put down flip-flops, and because she lives in California, I live in Georgia, so I thought, always wearing warm clothes. And then this jean jacket says something, and it's just a cute little layout that's in my traveler's notebook that doesn't have me on there, but it has my name, which anyway, it's like a selfie, right? So make sure that you go check out the Crafty Maven Getaway. I absolutely love that group. I love their channel. Everything is amazing over there. And then also make sure that you check out Orange's layout for today as well. She's our guest designer. Of course, go check out Laura as well. Everything will be linked down below. And look how cute that turned out. So now I should start to work on the tag. And I do, oh no, puffy stickers. Let's do that first. So I put down a cell phone because it's, you know, because we're kind of, you know, she's in California. She's literally on the West Coast. I'm literally on the East Coast. And so it is, you know, appropriate to put the cell phone down because that's the only way I would have gotten this photograph. Otherwise, we probably I wouldn't have seen it. If I wasn't on social media or, you know, getting a phone, you know, like a text message or whatever. And I'm just adding little bits of things here and there, just going through everything. And really, I am trying to just use up a lot of this stuff so that I can get it out of my collection. There, and then I added 2 little girls because the Girl Squad has little bits and pieces of ladies in it, like little circle, it's like circle heads of all different shapes, sizes, colors, you name it, everything. And I thought it was cool to put 2 of them down. Here I am, this is where I'm making my tag, and I do all my journaling off camera as well. And I just make sure that it sticks in there just right, and I hole punch it, and I go to town on putting, now there I do put Taco Tuesday. Why I put Taco Tuesday on there, I don't know why, I just did. And then I put down something about happy is the prettiest, just little things like that. And I draw an arrow to tell you to turn it over so that you can see the journaling that I placed on there. We are day 6 in, and I hope you are enjoying this and joining along on all of the inspiration that you are getting. I completely understand if you can't keep up. I totally get it. I know I can't keep up every day on this, but it'll be so much fun for you to go back. There is a playlist on my channel that will have Scrapmadness 2019. If you do any of the sort of it, tag us, let us know that you got some inspiration from any of us, whether it's the guest designers or myself or Laura. Tag us. We would love to see what you have done. And that's what I do with my journaling, and then I place a little bit of hearts, and then that is it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Go check out everybody else, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.